guys, how are you?
Hello, you're fine. How are you?
Good. Your smiling face. Asha ji always
Good.
smiling. It's good. Give me a power. Give me
Yes.
transformation. Yeah. And tell me about the last week. You've done so many activities till now. And what is a change in your life?
So this last week we did the decision making wheel, which is very powerful tool. I feel because we take decisions in our life in different at different stages, but we never followed such kind of option wheel, I should say. So if we follow this decisions making wheel properly, it will definitely we will end up with a good right decision. So this is a good thing we learned last week.
You learn what? And what is the change in your life after this session?
Now I feel yes, for everything I have to use this tool.
Oh, good. It's good. You got a clarity day by
Yeah,
day.
it
It's
gives
amazing.
more
Yeah.
crystal clear picture about whatever decision you want to take.
Yeah. Transform your life because
Yes.
our group is a transformer. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Tell me about Nadeem ji. What is the change in your life after so many done activities?
Yeah, every week is no, there are a lot of changes. So I'm trying to implement those changes in my life and a lot of freedom. So I'm not worried because I understood my personality. So when I understood personality, there is a freedom of doing things. I understood why I'm doing this way and why I'm not doing that way. So thank you for the coaching.
Oh no, your effort is amazing,
Thank you.
commendable. Well, guys, what? Tell me what?
What?
No.
Only you can make a difference in your life. No one
Yes.
will be able to do that for you. I will guide, but you need to make the first step and action. Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, always we will do that. Okay. Now we talking about a buzz movement. Tell me about what is the buzz movement?
Buzz moment. Like you're free bird kind of thing. Something freely, you are free to do some everything.
Nearby and think about more.
When you're free, you enjoy it at the most enjoying activity.
Okay. And tell me about Nadeem ji. What is a buzz movement? Because today myself we are talking about a buzz movement.
Something buzz is happening. Something buzz is.
Something.
Uh,
Yes, you're nearby.
yeah.
Buzz movement is your magic movement. We will talk about in a detailed manner. That is a magic movement. How we will create that. Okay.
Right.
Okay. Now we will talk about a buzz movement. You will you will answer a set of a question to identify what activities are their buzz movement and then work even deeper on them answering another set of questions. Purpose of this activities is you will take the questionnaire to gain clarity on what kind of activities make a buzz movement for them so they can access those at will in a future. Step 1, answer a set of questions to identify your buzz movement activities. Answer another set of questions to dig deeper into a buzz movement activities identify to maximize them. Step 1, let's discover your buzz movement. In a short way, BMS. Okay, it's time to clearly identify your BMs so you can access them at will to create a list of your BM activities by answering the question below. What do you love doing? Tell me, Asha ji.
I love doing cooking. I love doing Dance,
Okay. What activities do you find easy and are really good at?
dance and cooking as well, I feel. Yeah.
What activities do you do where time just disappear?
Cooking,
Cooking. And another?
dance, and sometimes I do during lockdown only I developed that thing, the painting or drawing things.
Painting and rounds.
I started
Okay.
loving it. Yeah.
Time just disappear.
Yeah.
Do. Okay. And if money, time, family commitment were on obstacle, what do you do? And let's discover your buzz moments.
Then I will dance and paint.
And paint. Okay. And what did you enjoy doing as a kid, age of 4 and 18?
See,
Do you
it's a
have
very big 4 and 18 is quite big. Like I should say, when I was very small child, I used to play informal games, not a formal kind of games. But later on, when I and uh, grown up, 15 plus or so, so I got the opportunity to play some formal games, and I really enjoyed it. And I'm very happy to share that I was also a captain of certain teams. So that
okay?
has also given me a good options.
Oh, awesome. Okay, okay. List everything you said you would be when you grow up.
When
And
I
you tell me.
so I used to think that life is very easy going thing, and I खेलते कूदते निकल ही जाएगी kind of thing.
Yeah. And what are you really good at? And list everything you can think of, no matter how irrelevant it may seem when you first think about it.
Yeah, so when I first think like definitely cooking comes into the picture, then painting and the playing games come into the picture, chatting with my friends, going for shopping.
Going
Lot of list is a very big list is there.
or irrelevant. Do you have any buzz moment which are irrelevant?
Irrelevant, nothing
First
irrelevant.
thing, nothing irrelevant. Okay, okay. What impact will be having more buzz moment in your life and in your life have on you and those around you?
If I'll have more buzz moments, definitely I will enjoy. I will be more happy. And when I will be happy, so definitely my family members will be more happy with that.
And what resource do you need to help and you maximize your buzz moment? Who do you need to talk to ask first? ASAP.
Soon as possible. So, like, I think I need one maid. For that, I have to talk to my husband to arrange a maid. If she is there, I will hand over some of the work to her, and then I will enjoy my lot of other buzz moments.
You understand? Tell me, Nadeem ji, now,
Yeah,
and tell me what did you enjoy doing as a kid?
yeah. I always love to play sports, live life to the fullest,
Okay, and
adventures.
list everything you said you would be when you grow up.
Yeah, so my life, I don't have any goals. Always khelte kudte, I was in adventures, I was in sports, I was in dance.
Okay, if money, time, family commitments were not obstacle, what do you do? And let's discover your buzz moments.
So mostly I live in my bus moments only. So
Living, okay.
that's where I'm not able to earn more money. So,
Okay,
so I need to
good.
focus on that also sometimes.
Okay, it's good. And what activities do you have to do where time just disappear?
I love photography, I love dancing.
Sorry?
Photography,
Photography. Okay,
yeah.
okay.
So I do natural photo shoots. Sometimes I dance, sometimes I play, sometimes I grow plants, sometimes I cook. So whatever gives me happiness.
Yes. Both are you understand,
Yes,
huh?
yeah,
Why
yeah.
important in my buzz movement? I will tell you, maximize your buzz movement. I'm sure you have realized that the secret of
Mm.
happiness is to incorporate as many of your buzz moment activities as you can into your life. You must accept that you will have to make change, which is something difficult, but in the long run will help to achieve success. Remember, the perspective your success in the happiness. Here are some questions to get your mind working. It's time to get buzzing by deciding the things you need to do and zoom towards happiness. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Okay. Choose three each of them want to tell after having read your list. Are you currently untiles your are you currently your bubs movement in your life? If so, what specify buzz movement activities are you doing, and how much of your time in spent doing these things? Are you currently creating these buzz movement in your life, and what would happen to future in your focus on creating your building more buzz movement activities? What additional buzz movement activities would you add into your life in future that would have to the biggest impact on your happiness? What new hobbies, and six is what new hobbies would you start to create more buzz movement? What obstacle come to your mind when you imagine your life with the more buzz movement? You understand
Yeah.
all these?
Yes.
How we create the buzz movement activities and the impact their buzz movement have on their life?
Yeah.
You understand? We will create the more buzz movement.
Yes.
Pradeep ji,
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Asha ji, we will create
Yeah.
more buzz movement and in a daily way, and
Yeah.
you see the changes in your life.
Yeah.
Life is full of happiness. Okay,
Correct.
now
Agree.
session is a wrap on, and we will meet next week. We'll
Sure.
Okay.
one more new session. Okay,
Right.
bye,
Bye.
transform.
Bye.
Clap yourself, tap yourself, enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
Bye, take care.
Bye. Bye bye. See you.